Yes, once again, very warm welcome in listenings for my e-lecture. In this video, we will learn functions of language. As we know, language is the most sophisticated human skill, and we can perform different functions with the help of language. And there are so many linguists who have worked on this topic, and they suggested different kind of functions of language. Some of the major linguists who worked on functions of language, they are Roman Jacobson, Jeffrey Leach, and Michael Halliday. And as well, Michael Alexander is also there. So we'll focus on the classification that's given by Finch. He classifies functions of language into two types. One is micro functions, and the other one is macro functions. As you know, micro means narrow and macro means broader one. So micro functions are those functions which are specific, and these functions are performed by individuals. On the other hand, macro functions are general or overall functions which are performed by language. We have different kind of micro functions, almost 7 functions which come under micro function. The first function is physiological function. Physiological function is related to the release of our emotions. Sometimes we are in very excited state, sometimes we are in sad mood, we are in very happy mood, and we are very angry with someone. So what happens? We need certain curse words to release our emotions. Pent up energy is required to be released. So as we observe in daily life, if someone is very angry and if he is using any abusive language or curse words, so we say let him or let her say whatever he wants to say, otherwise he or she is not going to be relaxed. So it means when we use certain curse words, abusive language, we release our emotions, right? Although we do not communicate anything, and this is not necessary that whether the person is listening or not listening. And sometimes we also observe that a single person keeps on cursing other person. What happens? He is releasing his emotions. When we are happy or we are watching any, for example, cricket match, and if any our favorite player, for example, Shahid Afridi, although I'm not as much interested in cricket, but this is just for the sake of example, if he plays well, he is not listening, but you are in a state of emotion and you say wonderful, excellent, in Punjabi language, balle, shaba, right? That person is not listening. In fact, you are in a state of emotion, in excited emotion, and by using these words, you are releasing your emotions. So this is the physiological function in which we use curse words. Why we use curse words are certain appreciative words like well done, excellent, right? In different languages we have different words, and for example, if someone is not performing well and you are not satisfied with the performance and you have some kind of negative emotions, and you will say how silly you are. So this is all about the physiological functions. Next